we're learning new English words that start with the letter P. We'll look at pictures, say the words, and remember them together. Get comfy and let's start our fun learning time. This is Saturn, a giant planet in space. It has bright and beautiful rings around it. Saturn looks very big and far away. Many kids love learning about planets. Saturn is a planet with rings. Here is a penguin, a bird that cannot fly. Penguins walk in a funny way, almost like they're dancing. They live in cold and snowy places. Their black and white colors make them easy to recognize. Penguins are friendly and cute to watch. This is a puppy, a small baby dog. Puppies love to play and run around everywhere. They like to wag their tails when they're happy. Many kids enjoy spending time with puppies. A puppy always brings positive energy. This is a parrot with colorful feathers. Parrots can repeat words and sounds they hear. They are very smart and friendly birds. Many parrots live in warm tropical forests. Their bright colors make them easy to remember. Here is a pumpkin, big and round. Pumpkins grow on long vines in gardens. They come in many sizes and shapes. People use pumpkins for cooking and decorations. This orange vegetable is perfect for fall. This is pizza, a favorite food for many kids. Pizza has cheese, sauce, and different toppings. It smells delicious and looks fun to eat. You can choose many flavors for pizza. Here is a piano, a musical instrument with many keys. You play it by pressing the keys with your fingers. The piano makes soft, beautiful sounds. Many songs begin with simple piano notes. It's a great instrument for learning music. This is a peach, a soft and sweet fruit. Peaches grow on tall trees in warm places. They smell very nice and taste juicy. The fuzzy skin makes them easy to recognize. It's a healthy fruit for kids to enjoy. Here is a pillow, soft and comfortable. You use it every night when you go to sleep. A pillow helps your head rest well. It makes sleeping cozy and relaxing. Everyone needs a good pillow for a good night's sleep. This is paint, bright and colorful. Kids use paint to make drawings and pictures. Painting helps you learn colors and shapes. It can turn simple ideas into beautiful artwork. Paint makes learning fun and creative. Great job today! You learned many new P words and practiced your English. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep smiling. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!